How to download and install Rednote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Play Store if you are using Android. Now go to the search bar and then simply search for Rednote. This one is the application that you would be looking for. As you can see, this is easily available, so simply tap on install and the application will be installed in your device. But if you are using iOS, go to your browser and then search for Rednote download. It will lead you to Play Store, Google Play Store. You have to install it via Google Play Store because it's not available in App Store. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.